In this video, I'll show you how to build a Salesforce REST API using Apex. And before we start, just wanted to explain what is an Apex REST. So to explain in simple terms, it lets you expose your Apex class as a REST endpoints, and these endpoints can be called from the external apps via HTTP. And Salesforce maps these Apex methods to the HTTP method like get, post, put, and delete, and that we'll see in a while we create that. So let's go and build the Apex class first, and then we can test the same in Postman. So how that works, how that Apex class works when it is hit as an endpoint from an external system. So let's first create Apex class, and let me copy the Apex class. I already have it. Okay, this is a simple Apex class where we have two methods: HTTP get, which is nothing but querying the account, and then HTTP post, it is to create an account. So the way we call these two methods is different, which we'll see when we get to the Postman. And yeah, let's go. Let me save this. Okay, and the name of this REST Apex is account service, and we are going to hit this REST resource from the Postman and either create an account or query the account. So let's go to Postman. Okay, so here we are at the Postman, and here let's create a new request, which I already created here, and I have entered my URL here, which already has the account ID, which is nothing but account already in this org, which is nothing but this account. I copied the ID and I added the same here. So here authentication, I'm using the grant type implicit, and also basic authentication. I have given the auth URL here, and also the client ID, which you can generate by creating Postman as a connected app. And yeah, let's first authorize, and it will ask for the custom domain. I'll give the custom domain of my org. You can also use for your sandbox, dev sandbox, but this is a developer sandbox, that's why I'm giving my own identifier. And here authentication is complete. This dialog box will close, and I will say okay, let's use this token. Okay, now authentication is successful. Now I'm going to use this. Let me just minimize so that you can see the entire thing that I want to show. I hope you can see now. Okay, so I did the authentication, which is successful. Now I'm going to hit this URL. So this is nothing but the HTTP get method that I explained in a while ago. So let's see. I'm going to send this request. Yes, 200 means it is successful. Let's go ahead and see the response. See, ID, name, and industry, and this is what we have been querying in that Apex method. And now we got this. Let's try the post method. I have the post URL here. I'll copy this, change the method to post. Okay, and I'll go to the body raw. I'll paste this JSON, which has a new account and the industry, which will basically create this new account. Let's see if this goes through. Oops, there is some error. First exception, storage limit exceeded. Oh, I think my sandbox is out of the storage. I'll have to clear some space and then try this again. Okay, Let me do that and try again. Base, let's see if this go through. I'm using this account service, passing these two fields in the JSON to create a new account. Okay, all right, it created a new account. Let's go ahead and check that. Okay, let me go ahead and enter this ID. All right, yes, it created this account today 2025 at 11:18 p.m. all right, yeah, that's it. So as you have seen, this is both HTTP GET and the HTTP POST method. Let me know in the comments if you need for put and the delete. I'll make a video and hope this is helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.